What is copywriting? Why is it important to a business? Do you know copywriting can be known as the creation of content? It can be website, brochure, product description, and any other form of advertising. A good copywriting can be used to persuade others to purchase the product or service of a company. So, other than that, what is the importance of copywriting to a company?
Hey, this seems like not bad leh.
What are you talking about?
This one, you see the description? Oh my god, made me want to buy this.
Oh, the content of the copywriting is so clear and concise. No wonder made you so desire for it lah.
Huh? So is copywriting very important to a business?
Of course, let me tell you the reason. There are several reasons that make copywriting important for a company. First, it helps the company to build its brand. Branding is how a company describes their business to others. A good copywriting can have a big impact on the purchasing behavior of the target audience. Besides, valuable content on website often is the first chance for you to impress the audience. A good copywriting are always in clear and concise content, and also giving the right information to hook the audience, and also persuade them to purchase from you. For example, on a website, a homepage is informative, while a product description is meant to encourage customers to purchase product or service from you. Moreover, a good copywriting can let the audience understand what is the information that the brand, product or service want to deliver. It is because the copywriter will ensure that they have researched the theme well before they create the content, and they know how to create a high quality and informative content that will drive sales. Besides, copywriting will let the audience trust you more, because through copywriting, small business can connect and appeal emotionally with the audience.
Wow, I really can't believe that looking at such simple words can have so much power.
But there are also some tips to make the words more powerful. Want to learn it?
Sure.
To write a good copywriting, first, you have to do research on it. What the audience preferences are before you start to write the content. And remember, avoid using those unnecessary words because the content must be concise. Second, the starting must be impactful. The headline must be compelling enough. It is because the audience is always attracted by the headlines before reading the content. Third, use the call to action words in the headline and add a relevant section for the audience to engage with. Next, write a copy that gives the user useful, urgent, unique, and ultra-specific information. It is important to be interesting as well as good for conversation at the same time. Last and the most important aspect is to make the content absolutely simple and easy to understand. The extrovert words will make the audience feel difficult to understand, and fancy words can put off the audience. So, till the end of the video. If you have any question, just comment below. We will try our best to reach you.
Hey, what are you looking for? The video is already end. If you are interested in our video content and want to watch more video from us, subscribe lah!
Oh yeah, don't forget to ring the bell if you want to get the notification when we upload the new video.
Bye!